Namaste, everybody. Welcome to Taste Connect podcast with expert Miss Neha Madam. So you are a life transfer. आपका पास जो भी आएगा, they can transform their life towards to fat to fit. They can.
Fat to fit, better lifestyle, good fitness level, better energy, good sleep.
So मैं आपको एक छोटा सा सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ. Just a chit chat. There are three segments here. We are very excited to have you in this podcast in the valuable time. Okay, आपका इतना busy schedule में भी अपने को थोड़ा सा टाइम दिया. So make what inspired you to become a clinical dietitian? Very basic question.
Definitely. तो like when I studied nutrition, so ऐसे nutrition कोई it was not booming as such as a nutrition industry. It was unheard basically. People were not aware what nutritionist is, what dietitian is. So literally I used to explain people, like when my elders used to ask me that what you are studying, so I used to explain them that what exactly a dietitian means or what is the job of a nutritionist. So it was not a very well explored field that time when I started studying. But of course, you can say that it was a second choice. The first choice was to study MBBS, but somehow I could not clear the entrance exam, and things did not work out the way I wanted. So then I was diverted towards the field of nutrition, and it was explored to me by my father. So he was the Amway distributor that time, and Nutralite had launched their nutritional products in India. So they had protein supplements and calcium, omega 3, and all of that. So I used to go for those trainings where they used to teach them about the nutrition, like what are the benefits of protein and various vitamins and minerals. So that is how he was exposed, and then he suggested me that this is something which is going to be in future, where you just have to share your awareness and knowledge. You
Okay.
don't need anything else. You will be paid for what you're talking. So that was his path, what he had shown me to take up this field. And from there on, I started studying nutrition, and then I got passionate about it. Then I did sports nutrition also. I did functional medicine also. So that is how I have progressed in my.
Neha Madam, today people are so confused with so many diet trends in online.
Yes,
क्योंकि मुझे ही पता नहीं मैं क्या करना बोल के. I really don't know.
definitely.
सो ऐसा पॉपुलेशन 99.99% मिलेगा. देर आर ओनली वेरी फ्यू पीपल हु आर वेरी डाइट कॉन्शियस एंड उसके बारे में नॉलेज है. तो जनता के लिए आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं?
So on this segment, ये सब start social media से हुआ है, wherein they are bombarding with so many generalized information. Every day you see some different detox water coming up, a different diet regime to be followed, a different diet. Sometimes it is keto, paleo, Mediterranean, low calorie, high fat, high protein. So all these are different kind of diets which are being pushed in the social media, and then you get confused कि भाई actually करना क्या है.
सोशल
Okay,
मीडिया तो पूरा
so
कंफ्यूज करके डाल देता है.
so the basic rule is whatever diet you start, you have to ask yourself one simple question, that is this the diet or the diet regime which I can follow for lifetime. Okay, अगर इसका आंसर आपको yes आता है कि okay, this is something which I can include in my diet for lifetime, then that is a right diet for you. For example, your traditional eating habit. For South Indians, like rice is their staple food. Okay, even for a diabetic patient, we wouldn't restrict giving them rice, because genetically they are more efficient to absorb rice as compared to a North Indian, I would say. So we will never put a South Indian or a no rice diet or a chapati diet. Okay, we will allow them to have rice, but definitely we will teach them that what should be the portion, what should be the combination with which rice will not increase your diabetes. So that is how we modify diet and personalize it. So it is more of when I say that even a diabetes patient can have rice, so this is not generalized. Okay, it has to be supervised. It has to be combined with good foods, so that a qualified dietitian or a nutritionist can help you. So the
Okay.
idea is that whatever you see on social media, don't start duplicating it in your lifestyle. Understand whether that is applicable to you, because on social media they are not focusing on you. They are focusing on complete audience altogether.
Okay. Okay.
So it might not be for you. Okay,
Okay.
so for example, in mango season, there are many reels that will come up that, oh, even diabetes patients can have mango. So then, all the diabetics will start eating mango, and after 3 months, they will come with high HbA1c, uncontrolled sugar. कि अरे हमने तो रील में देखा था कि mango खा सकते हैं. So we had all the season and all of that. So there is a lot of generalized information. You will not call it as a knowledge. Okay, knowledge a qualified nutritionist or a dietitian.
Okay. So, as a national clinical dietitian, you work with many patients, right? What are
Yes.
the most common mistakes you see people making daily that they are silently killing their harming their health? मतलब उन लोगों का जो common mistakes क्या है
Got it.
in a very crispy
So
manner?
first is like they feel that eating less is good for health if they want to lose weight. Okay, so they start skipping their meals. So that is not how your body works. You have to eat healthy and not eat less. Okay, so that is one thing which needs to be taken care of. Second thing, because of the lifestyle, like people have late dinners. Okay, and it is the heaviest meal of the day, unfortunately. So there something has to be worked out. Late night dinners and compromising on your sleep. So, like, on weekends where they should be, taking a good break and relaxing themselves, they involve themselves in late night series and, binge eating with that. So, they are adding on more stress with their regular lifestyle. So, sleep is also one of the very, important factor which I see in my practice, that people are neglecting a lot of it, because of which there is hormonal issue. Because of this, there is so much of stress, and then you end up being stress related diabetic or stress related hypertensive patient.
Okay, so we are in the final segment that for our Taste Connect audience who want to start their health journey, what are the three simple and practical changes they can implement immediately to get a long-term results?
So the first thing would be fix up your meals along with the timings. Let the dinner be your lightest meal of the day. So you don't need much of energy from the dinner because you are not so active. But someone who is active in the night time, for example, after dinner, if you are going for your walk or exercise, then you can have reasonably good amount of dinner, and work on your sleep cycle. You have to follow sleep cycle because that will help you manage your stress levels, and your hormones will be rejuvenated once you get good rest to your body.
So finally, what is your testimony about this Connect and Raj? How we started this journey? किधर से किधर आया, किधर से किधर गया? So
So Raj, like I remember every time I talk to Raj, there is something new which he has come up with. Okay, so last time Raj छोड़ा था, Raj is never there. He has always, progressed in with a new product or a new concept or a new evolved. Yes, you can say evolved with a new concept, new thoughts, how he can help. So definitely, like I know you as someone who is ready to help. Okay, so if I feel I'm stuck somewhere related to any kind of IT situation, so I know I have to connect with Raj. Okay, so that is why I like the name Taste Connect, because it's Taze. Like, just call and Raj will have answer for all your problems related to IT. So I am glad. I actually don't remember how we got connected, or who introduced
definitely.
us, but it's been like I think 5 years we know each other, and we have seen each other growing.
And
So we both have,
this episode will be published in our digital roller coaster.
when like-minded people meet, so something good happens. So I have always seen you like who vibes, like I can vibe your energy. Basically, always being positive. Sometimes I have given up कि राज छोड़ दो ये नहीं होगा, but you have hold me back कि अरे नहीं होगा करके.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
remember like when we were working on my project and you were like "Ke nahi hoga." I was like chodo yaar, there is, I don't think so it is going to work. But then you pushed it and take it to the end. So I am always thank you for supporting me, guiding me, and pushing me कि थोड़ा automation करो. So that has helped me, but I'm still not as per your expectations, I would say. Let's meet up. I think
May,
we have met only virtually. We have not met since 5 years. We know each other. Mumbai is waiting for you.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you, madam. Take care. Bye bye. Namaste.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. It was
Yeah.
nice talking to you, Raj.
Bye 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 bye.